Hello, my name is Luis Fernando. Nice to meet you. What is your current hobby? Yeah, hi Luis. Nice to meet you too. I am an administrative assistant. I organize documents, answer email, email, and support my team every day. What about you? I am a civil engineering student and currently work as a project assistant. I help prepare reports and coordinate activities effectively. That so interest do you have another hobby before? Yes, and it is last year I worked as a construction assistant. I managed tasks infinitely and assisted insurance youth project documentation, and I also monitor materials and then prepare daily reports. Great. What skill did you develop there? I developed teamwork, communication, and problem solving skill because I work with different professionals every day. What about your previous job? Before this position, I worked as a customer service representative. I answer customer in inquiries, solve problems, and handle complaint professional. I also manage record accurately. That must have improves your communication skill. Yes, it is a become more confidence and organized. I learn how to work other pressure at how to assist customer effectively. What professional qualities do you think are important? I think responsibility, teamwork, and the adaptability are very important because they help employers perform well. I agree. In addition, Bill proactive and the Pascual is the excellent. These qualities help us achieve our goal and support the team. What do you do enjoy most about your current job? I enjoy learning new things and work on the projects in the helping new ones experience for my future career. That is great. I am enjoy helping people and improving my professional skill. It was nice talking with you and learning about your experience. La question, Zach, you for sharing your work experience. Have a great day. Do you goodbye.